Today, I want to talk to you about breathing, and we're going to do a few specific breathing exercises and breathing routines to help you feel a little more calm and relaxed. Hi, I'm Jessica Valant. I'm a physical therapist and women's health expert, and I am here to help you feel strong and safe in your body in all seasons of life. You can find many of my short workouts right here on YouTube. For my full-length workouts, my fitness program, an app, and more pelvic floor resources, you can check out the links below. So breathing is one of the top resources that we have that we can use anytime to help us feel more relaxed and to help us calm our nervous system. It is also a great way to actually help our muscles relax. It helps with our lymphatic system, so it helps to move fluid throughout our body. So breathing has a lot of great ways that it can help our body, in addition to just keeping us alive, because it keeps breath and oxygen in our lungs. So I want you to find somewhere comfortable to sit, and you might be watching this at work, and that is just fine, but try to have somewhere that you can actually be comfortable, that you can be somewhat relaxed. I'm just sitting here on the floor cross-legged. You can be in a chair, you can be laying down if you prefer, wherever you can be for a moment that you can really focus on your breath. So doing this the first time can be helpful to have that focus, and then you can use these tools throughout your life, throughout your day, anytime that you feel yourself start to get a little bit stressed. With my medical history, I find anytime at the doctor's office or I have an IV or before surgery, I use these techniques a lot, so they really can be used any time. So for now, try to find a comfortable seat. Arms can be relaxed wherever they're best for you. And what we're gonna focus on today is breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. So I just want you to start with that. So take a nice deep breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Through your nose when you inhale, and exhale, let it go through your mouth. And I want you to continue with that as I give you just a couple tips. So when you're exercising or you take certain movement classes, you might be told to breathe in through your nose, out through your nose, in through your mouth, out through your mouth. None of that is wrong. I want you to do what feels right for you. For our purpose today and for the times that you're trying to really calm your nervous system, I want you to focus on breathing in through your nose and then just letting it out through your mouth. So making that ha sound with your mouth as opposed to pursed lip breathing like that. That can work well with exercise, but again, for our purpose here, in through your nose, exhale, let it out like you're fogging a mirror. And then start to feel like you can get your ribs moving a little bit. So if you find you're inhaling a lot up into your neck and your shoulders, see if you can keep those down and relaxed. And breathe instead into that diaphragm, which sits right about here, like right at the base of those ribs in the front. So we want that to have some movement. We want your ribs to expand side to side. And I want some of that belly movement as well. All right, so those are just a few things to get you started. Now, let's start with a count. We want your exhales to be longer than your inhales. So let's start here for this purpose. I want you to inhale for a count of 2. Exhale for 4. Inhale 2. 1, 2, exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. And continue in that fashion. And if you can, see if you can increase that. See if you can inhale for 3 and maybe exhale for 6. And see if you can feel your body just start to melt a little bit. And if you find this is increasing your tension or anxiety at all, maybe try closing your eyes or check in if maybe you're tensing your neck and your shoulders again. And you can also try going into a child's pose position. When you're rounded forward, it opens up your lungs, and that can be an easier place to breathe sometimes. So don't give up. Don't stop. Just keep working on that calm, controlled breath. And now we're going to practice a tool called box breathing. So I want you to visualize a box. And we're going to inhale up one side of the box for a certain count. Then you're going to hold your breath across the top of the box for the same count. Then we exhale down the opposite side, same count, and hold our breath across the bottom. All right, so we're going to start with just a count of 2. So inhale, 1, 2, hold your breath, 1, 2. Exhale, 1, 2, hold your breath, 1, 2, and continue, 1, 2, and hold, 1, 2, and exhale, 1, 2, and hold, 1, 2, and continue here on your own, possibly increasing that count if it feels natural and comfortable to you, or this is something that you've practiced in the past. Maybe eventually working yourself up to a count of 4 or even higher. But again, recognizing that like with anything, working on your breath and feeling relaxed in your breath is a journey. So you just continue to do these practices throughout the day. You can do them when sitting in traffic. You can do them in your meetings. You can do them even in the middle of a hard conversation or when you find yourself getting frustrated with your kids. Take a breath. When you see something on the news or on social media that's tough, close your eyes for a split second. Take that nice big inhale through your nose. Let it out nice and long and controlled through your mouth. And it can help change the situation, or at least change how you react to it. All right, so you can come back from that box breathing, and we're going to try one more thing that is a little different, that this one you might not do in the middle of your meetings or with someone else, but you can practice on your own. I want you to take your thumb and I want you to close your right nostril, okay? You're going to inhale through the left, exhale through the left. So now we're using only our nose and just one nostril. And then now try the other. Close the other. Nice. And then now you're going to use your fingers. Close the right nostril. Inhale through the left. Close the left. Exhale through the right. Now alternate. Inhale through the right. Exhale through the left. And you can use that, again, as a way to change your breathing, to slow it down a little bit. And then also you can use it with that box breathing or with that same idea of taking those 2 or 3 or 4 count inhales and the longer exhales. All right, come right back to center here for me. And just take a big breath in through your nose. And exhale, open mouth, sigh it out. One more time. Nice job. So remember, your breath can be used as a really vital tool to help you feel a little more calm, to actually help regulate your nervous system, and to help the systems in your body function optimally. I'll see you on your mat soon. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Take a moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel so you never miss new releases. And here are a few recommendations for what to try next. See you soon.